What's good, y'all? This your boy Aristotle. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays. All right. So as you guys can see, I'm on the road. I'm in the airport, but that makes this even more fun. All right. So my flight about to take off. But before it do, all I ask you guys to do is leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, that's all I ask from you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys all the gaming gems. All right. So let's hop right into it. I don't waste you guys' time. This may be a little quick because and ignore the background noise if you hear them speaking on the intercom and talking about stuff. But yeah, to the weekly chart on SPY, we have retraced up. Go to the daily chart. Let's see what we got. Literally retraced the entire move off the 100 MA, and we talked about that on Stock Sundays, where I told you guys above this level, 644 or 664.5. Above that level, we take off, and we did. All right, we even retested the level that next day. So, from what I see, if we go to the 1 hour chart on SPY, I think we could get to this particular level right here and possibly reject and or go above. We got to see, but I'll say the 686 level is what I'm targeting right here for next week. We're still strong. We're in a bull market. It hit the 100 MA and bounced. I'm talking about heavily bounced off the 100 MA. Broke this particular level right here. So again, you got to always check the hourly. The hourly gives you the best levels. Like for this next stock I want to talk about, which is AMD. So AMD has some good stuff going on. This is why you always got to check the hourly. If you see right here, we have a head and shoulders right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So even me, every day I got to go check the hourly. We got a reject level here. The hourly really gives you the best type of levels. So we got a level coming here. We got a double bottom pattern. So let's talk about all of this. Double bottom pattern. And then we want a head and shoulders pattern. Okay. So right now we have this right here ish. Let's go to images. I say this one. See how you can see that? Here's the neckline, first low, second low, neckline, breakout. Okay. So AMD has that. And you can see it even clearer right here. Bottom two, bottom one, you know what I'm saying? Resistance, which is the neckline. All right. So here we go. Two bottoms, neckline right here. Breaks out to the upside. It could go. If we looking on the daily chart, it looks like this. And what we're looking for is a break above neckline. And then we're also looking for, on a weekly chart, even better. If you guys know the strat, then you guys know this is a 2-2 setup for my strat people. I've been diving deep into the strat lately, so I will be implementing that into my particular technical analysis each day, and I recommend that you guys do the same thing. So AMD is on my watch. All right. And then the next one on my watch would be, I say Nvidia too. Nvidia, and it's just for bullish purposes. Above 183.75, 183.75 is Nvidia. Above weekly highs, I like Nvidia. So I like AMD and Nvidia for bullish plays the most. And then I say Netflix would be my third. Netflix. And then I'll show you guys Tesla as well. Netflix looked pretty good. Had bullish divergence. Let me make sure this trend line isn't anything. All right, so I probably got to move this trend line. So we do want to pay attention to that. Got us a little trend line there. Okay, and then it broke, retested, broke down. But the thing I liked about Netflix was bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD. right? So the chart itself is making a lower low, but the indicators are making a higher low. So that foreshadows an uptrend, which it kind of did. But if Netflix can get above highs there, this high, it could at least get here. So I could see it getting to about 111, 110.7 ish right there. So that's something that I'm watching for as well. Netflix. Really, really like what I see on Netflix for a day trade and a stock split. So it's much cheaper to day trade. Don't forget that. And then Tesla. Now this one is an interesting one. All right. So Tesla is trying to double bottom as well, kind of like AMD did. But at the same time, I'm watching this particular. If Tesla can get above highs here, then that would be something. I'll say the high of this last candle, 433. Tesla can get above 433, but on the hourly, here's what I see. See what we see? We see a type of resistance point right here, a support that now turn resistance that rejects, and then we're still at this level right here that it could either reject or bounce. So we do have to watch for both levels. SPY, we have to watch for either or direction as well. Like I said, will we get a pullback or will we go straight to this next level right here? Is the question. We could have pulled back here, but we didn't. We decided to break out here. So what if we get a retest here and then bounce? That could be something. I could see that happening. SPY retesting to about 680.7, then bouncing. We got a lot of types of things to look at. So yeah, and then let's go to QQQ real quick. Remember, always check the hourly. So QQQ broke this level. Are we going to retest right here? Or are we going to just keep breaking to the upside? We have to see about that. Let's look at IWM. Exigen que el equipaje esté supervisado en todo momento. Cualquier equipaje desatendido será confiscado. Si ven cualquier equipaje desatendido. And again, like I said, I'm going to the hourly, seeing what levels we need to watch. Yeah, we can retest here, then maybe it could be a place. So we got to watch for breaking retest. We got to watch for a lot of things. I'm watching Netflix above highs. Let me see what I got for Netflix again. Go on the hourly chart above this high right here, which would be, let me make sure, about 108. Netflix above 108. And that's it, folks. Make sure you use risk management. If you need some high probability setups, y'all know what to do. Take advantage of my Cyber Monday sale. I'll post it and I'll pin it. This is the last sale I'm running all year, so take advantage of it. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the chat. And join the free chat too if you need a watch list or whatnot. God bless you guys, and tap in because it'll be 40 to 50% off of Cyber Monday. All right, so you don't want to miss this sale for the people who really want to take advantage and get some money with me. God bless.